Ever wondered how to make the perfect pea soup? Now is the time to learn. You'll need peas, fresh or frozen, onions and garlic for that aromatic base. Add in vegetable broth for a savory depth of flavor. For added creaminess, consider potatoes. They're optional but recommended. Herbs like mint or thyme will give a delightful freshness, while garnishes like ham or cream can add a touch of luxury. With these simple ingredients, you're well on your way to creating a soup that's both comforting and delicious. First things first, we need to build a flavorful base for our soup. The secret to any great soup lies in its base, and for our pea soup, we're starting with the classic duo, onions and garlic. Chop your onions finely, ensuring they'll melt away into the soup, and mince your garlic for that strong, aromatic kick. Now it's time to bring them together in a symphony of flavors. Heat a splash of olive oil in a large pot, then toss in your chopped onions and minced garlic. The key here is patience. Sauté these aromatic wonders gently, stirring occasionally until they become soft and golden. This simple act of sautéing draws out the natural sweetness of the onions and the pungent goodness of the garlic, creating a base that's packed with flavor. This base will ensure our pea soup is packed full of flavor. It's these little details that elevate a dish from good to gourmet. Now it's time to add the star of the show, our peas. These little green gems, along with the diced potatoes, are going to be the main body of our soup. Pour them into the pot alongside the onions and garlic, giving everything a good stir to ensure they're well combined. Next, pour in the vegetable broth. This will provide a flavorful base for our peas to simmer in. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the heat to work its magic. As the peas and potatoes soften, they release their natural sweetness into the broth, infusing it with a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. Cook this delightful concoction until everything is tender and the flavors have melded together beautifully. This step is crucial to achieving that perfect balance between the peas, potatoes, and the aromatic broth. As it simmers, our soup is starting to take shape. The transformation from humble ingredients to a gourmet delight is well underway. Once the peas are tender, it's time to blend and season our soup. This is the moment when our humble ingredients truly begin to shine. The blending process transforms the cooked peas into a velvety, rich soup. Whether you prefer a smooth puree or a chunkier texture, the choice is yours. Just remember, the longer you blend, the smoother your soup will be. Now, it's time to season. Here's where the magic really happens. A dash of salt and a twist of pepper can elevate the natural flavors of the peas. But don't stop there. The addition of fresh herbs can really take your soup to the next level. Thyme offers a subtle earthiness, while mint can add a refreshing twist. Remember, seasoning is all about balance. You want to enhance, not overpower, the sweet, delicate flavor of the peas. Now our soup is nearly ready to serve. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, serving our pea soup. This is where all your hard work pays off. Begin by ladling the vibrant, steaming soup into your favorite bowls. Watch as the creamy mixture swirls, releasing its aromatic scent into the air. Now it's time to add the finishing touches. For a touch of luxury, drizzle a swirl of cream over the top. It will melt into the soup, forming beautiful creamy patterns. For those who crave a bit of crunch, sprinkle over some golden, crispy croutons. They'll add a delightful contrast to the smooth soup. You can even add a sprig of fresh mint or thyme for a pop of color and a burst of fresh flavor. And there you have it, a bowl of perfect pea soup ready to impress. Each spoonful is a masterpiece, a symphony of flavors, a testament to the magic that can happen in your kitchen.